Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a face serum specifically designed for oily and acne prone skin. What's nice about this formula is it's not just a combination of oils, there's an added extra ingredient as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin making this face serum today, I will be adding some grapeseed oil to my beaker. Grapeseed oil is known to be an astringent, meaning that it's great for oily and acne prone skin as it tends to be a little more drying than a lot of the oils. Not only that, but it does not clog the pores. This next ingredient I'll be adding to my beaker is called argan oil. Argan oil helps to control sebum production, which if you have oily or acne prone skin, your body overproduces oils. So this is a much needed ingredient as it helps to not only control that, but it soothes and reduces any inflammation caused by acne. Before I add any further ingredients, I will be covering the beaker and gently heating it on my stove on the lowest setting for about 15 minutes. Now that my oils are gently heated, I will be adding some shea butter. Shea butter needs to be used in small amounts when you have oily and acne prone skin because if you use too much, it can make the breakouts worse. So for this formula, I will be adding just a small amount, and this will actually help to control overproduction of the sebum on the face. So now that I've added the shea butter, I'll gently be stirring this in the oils. The heat of the oils will melt the shea butter, and this is good because you won't be left with that gritty feeling from the shea butter itself. I will now be adding some myrrh essential oil. This is because it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which is great when you have oily or acne prone skin. Lastly, I'll be adding some lavender essential oil. This may help to prevent and heal any acne, but not only that, it will not clog the pores and it has a very soothing effect to the skin. Before pouring the serum into my bottle, I not only want to allow this to cool to room temperature, but I'll be gently stirring this, making sure that everything is nicely incorporated. I now will be pouring my face serum into this dropper bottle. I chose to use this one because it is convenient to use when applying to the face, but not only that, it makes it very convenient to store as well. So let me go ahead and show you a quick demonstration on how to use this face serum that I created today. Now you're going to apply just a couple drops to a clean and dry face and then gently massage it in. This is great to be used daily, both morning and night. So here's the formula along with any substitutions that I used for creating this face serum for oily and acne prone skin. Now, with any videos that I have on my channel, I just want to let you know that I am not a doctor. I am not giving medical advice. I am simply doing this for entertainment purposes and teaching you how to create your own DIY skincare products. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.